What's up, guys? Today we are going to go over the charging station for the PlayStation Portal. And I've kind of been holding off on getting this because I was like, do I really need this? Like, is this really necessary? And then I started to tell myself, well, is the PlayStation Portal really necessary? Do I really need a portable way to play my PS5? Probably not, but I like it. So I got it. It's convenient. Guess what? This is another convenience. It's a convenient way to charge your Portal, even though plugging it in really isn't that difficult. So let's go ahead and open it up. We're going to unbox this, set it up together. This is my first time using it. So, I don't know if anybody will be even interested in watching this, but that's okay. If you do find it interesting, just appreciate it. At least if you can just give a like. That goes a long way for my channel. If not, you don't have to. You can just consume the content and move on with your life. I'm totally okay with that too. But I appreciate you guys being here. Sorry this is taking so long. A lot of my videos I do live so that I don't have to edit it. But you guys are lucky. I'll probably edit some of this out. But again, this is by PowerA. This is the company right here. PowerA. As far as I know, it's the best, and it's the only PlayStation authorized, official, certified product. They also make a case, carrying case, but this is their charging station. So we got some instructions here. And basically how it works, so your Portal doesn't come with built-in like wireless charging, so to speak. The PowerA system has what is called Lumectra. It's basically a USB-C adapter that's going to go into our Portal, and then it has little connectors on the other end that will connect to your charger. So here's a USB-C cable. Both ends are USB-C. And then in here, it's going to be our charger. Whoa. Now, I have to admit, I have a black PlayStation Portal, the Midnight Black Edition. So I was kind of hoping that I could get a black charging case or station. But this will do, my friends. So there's our cable. Now we need to find the other piece. Oh, I was like, we kind of need the most important piece. So we got our USB-C cable, the charging station, and then we have our adapter here. So it's a USB-C. It's going to go in your charging port. And then see the end. Where's my camera at? That's just going to sit on this, like that, and then charge your PlayStation Portal. Okay. When this first came out, I was like, how does this work? Is there some kind of wireless charging option I didn't know about? So there it is. Very low profile, discreet. It's not really going to add any weight to your Portal. And then that's the cable. And under here we have the USB-C, and then the cable will run to that. But since I already have a station over here, I'm just going to pull this one out. Maybe it'll fit. And plug it in. Wow, look at that. The lights are pretty cool, I'll admit. I'm digging those. Okay, so I got my adapter in. Let's see how easy this is. Ooh, that's pretty sexy, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I like it. I like it. I get it. This is pretty cool. And then you literally just pull it off. That's sick. Boom. That's pretty cool. What I do want to know is, can I turn this light off? There's got to be a way, because you know, if you're like me, most of my stuff is in my room where I sleep, so I don't really want to. Oh, I like that it can plug into your console. That's pretty cool. Because I was kind of wondering where I was going to plug it. Oh, so there are some. Looks like there's a button on the back for the lights. Maybe. Let's take a peek. All right, I'm gonna unplug this for a minute. Thought I saw a button somewhere. Let's relook at the instructions. Apologize for the delay. Tap the indicated area to cycle through the mode. Standard, cycle, wave. Okay, so I guess this is just touch sensitive. Let's try it again. Okay, we got standard. Okay, multicolor. A wave. Or maybe that was the pulse. And then off. Okay, cool. So there is an off. Now let's set it back on. I have it set to off. It's letting me know it's charged, and then this stays off, which is what I want. So, pretty cool. I already like it. Now I just got to figure out where I want to set it up in my room. And yeah, not bad. I think it was like $30. So, I dig it.